Well, the BJP MP from Mandi, Kangana Ranaut, who has now stirred the Kisan stir cauldron, as she suggested Bangladesh-like situation could have happened in India, but for the country's strong leadership prevented it from happening. She went on to say that bodies were found hanging, rapes were taking place during the farmer protest against the now 3 repealed farm laws, alleging the involvement of China and the US in what she is called as a global conspiracy. Now, wary of the fallout and having burned their fingers once before, the BJP was quickly to denounce when it comes to their own leaders' remarks. In a statement, the party expressed disagreement with Kangana Ranaut's views and made it clear that she is neither permitted nor authorized to comment on the party's policy matters. The BJP, meanwhile, has also directed Kangana Ranaut to not make any statement of this kind in the future. However, swift to damage control as far as what the BJP has been doing it here has been when it comes to the upcoming elections that would be especially taking place in the state of Haryana. The Congress and the other opposition parties have gone after the BJP, with the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi in Lok Sabha and also Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge saying that the remarks have exposed the anti-farmer mindset of the BJP.
अगर ये उनका मत नहीं है, अगर आपकी पार्टी का ये मत नहीं है, तो निकाल बाहर करिए ऐसे सांसद को। अगर ये आपका मत नहीं है, तो इस देश के किसानों के खिलाफ जिसने इस तरह की बात की है, उसको किसी कीमत पर संसद में बैठने का हक नहीं है। हाथ जोड़ के माफी मंगवाइए किसानों से, और अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो आप खुद माफी मांगिए इस देश के किसानों से।
ये उनका निजी बयान है, निजी मत होता है। भाजपा का ये मत नहीं है। भाजपा सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास में विश्वास करती है। अपेक्षा करते हैं कि वे आगे से इस प्रकार के बयान नहीं देंगी और पार्टी की जो लाइन है उससे अलग जाकर बयानबाजी नहीं करेंगे।
As far as protests are concerned, the Haryana unit of the Aam Aadmi Party would be hitting the streets in all of the districts today to protest against Kangana Ranaut's remark. The Sahyog Kisan Morcha, which has also sought for an unconditional apology from Kangana Ranaut and directly from the Prime Minister as well, warning of a public boycott of the actor turned politician.
अभी जो ये कंगना रनावत ने बेहद ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण और गंदा बयान किसानों के ऊपर दिया है, इसकी जितनी ज्यादा आलोचना करी जाए उतनी ही कम है। कंगना रनावत का विवादों से पुराना नाता रहा है। पहले इन्होंने एक बार यह कहा था कि ये किसान आंदोलन में जो महिलाएं आती हैं वो 100 रुपया लेके आती हैं। अब उन्होंने ये कह दिया कि किसान आंदोलन में रेप हो रहे थे, हत्याएं हो रही थी। तो ये जो विवादास्पद बयान बार बार दे रही हैं, इन बयानों पर भाजपा के शीर्ष नेतृत्व द्वारा रोक लगाए जाने की जरूरत है। लेकिन जवाब तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री और माननीय गृह मंत्री जी को देना चाहिए।
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free to think big and achieve bigger. Towards a future made perfect and be a force creating abundance, because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.